Welcome back to Primetime News and thanks for staying with us. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we feature Giftme, a multi-channel digital platform that makes it quick and easy for individuals to send gifts to their loved ones. Here's Carrie Simpson.
In a world where convenience and meaningful gestures go hand in hand, Giftme has emerged as the game changer in the realms of digital gifting and corporate rewards. Ruscio Billings is the CEO and founder.
I was just strolling around a mall and I saw physical gift cards on one of those cubicles or stands in the middle of the center of the mall. And I liked the idea. I saw the barcode on the gift card and I was like, how does this work? And I asked the individual that was at the stand how it worked, and they told me exactly the process of how a gift card works. And and that was during COVID, where people could not be in contact with each other.
Whether it's for paying bills or any other occasion, no matter the distance, the company offers an extensive collection of digital cards from various brands.
We have about 20,000 transacting users per month on the platform. We have over 200 corporate companies that use us, right? And we have tens of thousands of created gift cards, over 100,000. Probably about 150,000 created gift cards on the platform.
And for individuals who have struggled with prolonged searches for the perfect gift, Giftme offers a simple and efficient sign-up solution.
Sure, it's relatively easy. So you install the app from either the Android store, which is the Google Play Store, or the Apple App Store. And once you install it, you sign up with your mobile number. You fill up basic profile information, first name, last name, and a recovery email address just in case you lose your mobile number. And once you've done that, in the app, it shows you a card section where you can store your gift card, and it also shows you all the different merchants where you can go and purchase gift cards from. You can filter them, search them, see different categories, and also see featured or popular merchants.
But as with any trailblazing business, there are challenges.
One was actually raising capital. It wasn't too difficult, but it was a challenge that we needed to overcome. The additional challenges were onboarding merchants that are popular, that people would go on and purchase their gift cards. One example is Starbucks. That took us 1 year because it's an international franchise, and so you actually have to go through the international channels. So that was one challenge that we overcame that. And then also hiring people who are software engineers who can help us.
However, Mr. Billings viewed these challenges as victories for the company as he eyes his long-term goals.
One, going international, meaning across the region, different Caribbean countries that may benefit from our infrastructure. We're already looking into that. Building out more features for our merchants. Can't speak of some of the tools. I don't know who's listening. But a lot of tools for our merchants to enhance their business processes and to also efficiently communicate and talk to their customers through our platform.
In the meantime, he says Giftme has fully recognized its potential in Jamaica. The company, which started out with only 15 merchants within its first week, has expanded to over 300 merchants, secured 2 investors, and is thriving with significant growth. And in a world deeply concerned about stability and environmental conservation, the CEO firmly believes that choosing Giftme is the right path to take.
If you're not using a physical card, it means that you're saving the environment of PVC, plastic, and those type of bad materials that harm the environment. So that's also one of the good things about our business is we're completely digital in the cloud. So you don't need to send a physical card to anybody anymore.
For the Business Review, I'm Carrie Simpson.